Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube? Here we have the S&P. Looks like it's going up. Looks like the point of return is at 286. That's another 10 points there, and definitely broke the previous high. Yeah, Obama and Yellen and Biden get together, and all of a sudden things are on the upside. So even worse is, well, anyways, that's a bullish engulfing pattern. If this can close out the week up in this area. Even worse is the Dow, as it is breaking free of its lower highs it was setting. I'm calling hyperinflation here in a moment. Doesn't look good. All economic numbers are bad, and then this just keeps going up for no reason ever since 08. You know, just straight up since Obama was elected. I don't like it one bit. I wish we had a free market. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Anyways, going to the dollar. Dollar bounced from falling off the map. Same deal. Market manipulation, I guess. I don't know. Crude. A little retracement today, but still looks bullish. As this could come down a little bit more to end the week, but it being consolidating over the 34 on a weekly just seems bullish to me. I would watch the 8 and price come down to meet together and make a nice splash. 834 in the price all at once, in and around 40. Here's an Nikkei. Look at this gap. Not sure what to think of this, but it was up 400 points today. Looks like it's still working. Just unbelievable. Things are not going to be able to hold up like this for very long. They're definitely trying to keep this up for the election, obviously. They want Democrats to keep the White House, I guess. Here's a higher low on the Nikkei. So you can see that that bottom, those gaps forming here. Its natural point would be at the end of this mark here, as it breaks in the previous lows, all the way up to the 34. So we'll see if it's a bearish retracement or a higher low double bottom, as it could eventually break above our steep trend line there. So, all of a sudden everything just turns around. Everything's hunky-dory again, I guess. Gold. I was mentioning a while back that on the intraday got a head and shoulders top, and was going to break down here, recovered, and now it's whipsawing back below the 34 and our support and resistance lines. So as you can see, that line there needs to hold. Or this could be a whipsaw. It's making a lower high as well. So in other words, be careful out there. See what's going on there. It's a nasty looking candle for the week. It's like a falling star for the week so far. Tomorrow's Thursday, but this thing needs to close above our 8, our support line. Above 1240. But it doesn't look good on that daily. And it's like the 5 hour, it's already broken down. It looks like the 5 hour held so far. So there you go. There's a hanging man there on the 5 hour. Should have saw that. They don't look good, folks. Just tack one on for another market manipulation. Silver, what a slow breakout that was. It's a non-performer. Looks like they still got a hold of this thing. We still have higher lows and higher highs all the way across. So look for another consolidation. Grab its legs and turn around again. But that was a weak breakout. Still in the game. We're trying to break this previous high, I guess. Not enough gusto on that last ride. But like I said, higher highs, higher lows. Staying in that pattern. The 8 is moving across 1550, which was our major support from years back. So let's see if we can hold that. GDX. Be careful when it goes below our support, which is the top of that gap. Below 2190, approximately, is going to want to fill that gap. So, and that doesn't look good for a daily. So watch out below on the GDX. It was a unless we can hold, but it doesn't appear to be holding at all. It looked like a real weak breakout there. I don't know what to say, except for gonna have to wait some more. I think gap down on a 5 hour, made a falling star, and now it's falling again. So look out below. Hopefully it'll hold up to 2190, 22. If it doesn't, it goes down to 2150. And shoot, I might have to fill this gap down here too. I don't know. But it looks like it wants to fill that gap. The gap down filled that gap too. So yeah, it's gonna keep coming down here, which sucks so much. Such power going into it, and then now it's just gonna fall apart. GDX on a monthly. Make sure we're in play. Looks like we broke over the 34. So let's stay over 20 on the GDX for the month. That's where we want to be. We want to make sure we stay above the 34, start consolidating above the 34 on a monthly chart so that we can start moving forward, changing trend on a monthly basis. Looks like we're hitting these previous lows here, making it hard. There's a long line of previous lows here, so it might need to rest. I mean, it came all the way from 1226, so it just about doubled. So that's pretty good for anything. Just might have to wait until we get this thing moving again, because that daily does not look good. It sucks, because I'm really excited to get this thing moving. Stay above 2190. That's our support. If it breaks, it's likely to fall down to 2140, where our EMA 8 should be sitting. One more look at the weekly. Yeah, if it keeps going the way it is, it's going to make a falling star, like a huge. Yeah. Watch this thing come down, make a falling star to end the week up. That would suck, because then we have a lot of downfall. Shoot, it can come all the way back down to meet its trend. So yeah, we need to hold that gap. That's what we need to do on the GDX. But that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Got another donation yesterday. That was awesome. Thank you very much. And thanks for subscribing. Looks like I got a slew of subscribers in the last couple days, so that was awesome. If you want to get a Bitgold account, check into it. Looks like we got Italy having some problems now. Just previously, Austria had a bail-in, saving off 54%. Doesn't look good out there. Bitgold, you can save and spend in gold on a prepaid card, and store your gold around the world. There's 7 different vaults managed by Brinks, so it's one of the biggest vault companies. There's free insurance, free storage. You don't have to pay for that. It's just 1% in and 1% out, making it pretty convenient to use. If you want to donate, you like these videos, please buy me some coffee, because I drink a lot of it right here. And thanks again for subscribing, and I appreciate all you guys. Thank you.